Okay, quick video guys. Town & Country 2013. I'm changing the wheel bearings on it. I just want to show you how easy it is on this one. So you got the heat shield. It's got 3 bolts here. Take those off. I used an extension, a long 10, an adapter. Didn't even have to take the hub off. Once you got the nut, the axle nut loose, you can push it back. Once you push it back, you get a little bit of access here to these 15 mils. These are 15 mils. There's 4 of them. 2 here, 2 on the other side. I already did the other side. I already changed it. I'll show you. Well, I can't really show you, but I already changed this side. So here we go. I'm gonna push the axle back and use a 15 mil to loosen the nuts. I'm gonna push it with my knee because I'm doing this one-handed. Then you just loosen them just like that. Once they're loose, I'm using my knee here to push the axle, and then I come here. Even by hand you can loosen them. So once they're loose, you can hand loosen them as you push the axle back, and you have just enough clearance to actually get them off and then install them. So you don't actually have to loosen this, the shock, or anything. Even the tie rod can stay there. I don't even mess with the tie rod. You just put a caliper here between the control arm and the CV axle so it doesn't fall. And then, like I said, I'll just push this back as I loosen the bolts, loosen them my hand. I'll show you guys. I don't want to make this long video, but just to show you that it's possible. There, that's one. Okay. Can't get this damn thing to focus. There's the second one coming out. It's out.
Put it in already?
Huh? No, not yet. I'm in the process. I need to take off the sensor. Finish taking off this last bolt, and it's pretty much out. Alright, so a quick sign that your wheel bearings are shot. You take the ABS sensor off, and you see grease on it. And that just means that your wheel bearing is shot. I don't know if you can see that. You see the grease inside of the hole there.